Let's look at this example. X cubed plus 4x squared minus 9x minus 36 all over x plus 3. This question needs to be rewritten in the bus stop method. The numerator, or the dividend, needs to be written inside the bus stop. The denominator, or divisor, needs to be written outside of the bus stop. Note that the terms inside the bus stop must be written in descending powers of x. The first thing we're going to do is focus on the first term in the divisor and the first term in the dividend. What is x cubed divided by x? Well, that's simply x squared. We write this x squared as part of the answer in the quotient on top of the bus stop. Next, we carry out a calculation. We take this x squared and we multiply it by x plus 3, in which case you will get x cubed plus 3x squared. These two terms are then written under the x cubed plus 4x squared, which is in the bus stop. Next, we draw a line and we subtract. X cubed minus x cubed is 0. 4x squared minus 3x squared is x squared. The next thing to do is to bring down the next term, minus 9x. Once again, we look at the first term of the divisor and the x squared, and we do the calculation. What is x squared divided by x? Well, the answer is simply x, which we write on top of the bus stop as part of our quotient. Next, we carry out a calculation. We take that value of x and we multiply it by the divisor, and we get x squared plus 3x. We write those two terms under the x squared minus 9x. We then draw a line and subtract. Once again, x squared minus x squared is 0. Negative 9x minus 3x will give negative 12x. We bring down the next term, the negative 36. Once again, we look at the first term of the divisor and the negative 12x. And we do the division. Negative 12x divided by x will equal negative 12. We transfer this answer of negative 12 into the quotient. Then we carry out our calculation. Negative 12 times x plus 1 gives you negative 12x minus 36. And we write those two terms under the existing negative 12x minus 36. And when we subtract those two, we get 0. And hence we have completed our long division.